Put Coca-Cola on the avocado, and you will never suffer from it again. And when you discover the reason, you will thank me forever. To start, we will need an avocado. It doesn't matter if it's ripe or green. We will cut it in half. After opening the avocado, we will only need this pit. Most people can't imagine what this simple pit is capable of. You will be surprised when you find out. Now I'm going to wash and remove the film that covers the pit and come back to show you the power of the avocado pit. Everyone should know this. I've already washed and removed the film, and now what are we going to do? Let's cut the pit. The avocado pit is not hard. You can cut it into several pieces. Did you know that 80% of the world's population throws it away? But I'll explain why the other 20% don't. After cutting it, it's normal for the avocado pit to change color. Now we take a sprayer, as it will make the application easier. If you don't have one, no problem. We can put everything in here. These two ingredients are a potent home remedy that you need to have at home, especially if you're suffering from this. We put everything in here. Now we will need 215 milliliters of Coca-Cola, which is this practical container. Many people don't know that in the beginning, Coca-Cola was not the drink we know today. It was formulated as a remedy to cure headaches, stomach aches, and even body pains. It was made from coca leaves and cola seeds. The most important thing about all this is that when we mix it with the avocado pit, its benefits are further enhanced. This is a great home remedy, and you need to do it at home. It is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It also helps with joint pains in the body, back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you feel a lot of leg pain or know someone who does, you need to make this remedy and know how to use it. After adding 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola to the already cut pit, let it act for about 24 hours, preferably in low-light areas. It's very simple and easy, with just these two ingredients. If you didn't know about this, do it at home. After 24 hours, you can start using it. It is not necessary to remove the pit unless you want to. Just apply it to the areas where you feel pain and let it act overnight. I used to feel a lot of knee pain, which bothered me a lot, so I started using this tip on my knees, and it's great too. If you have joint pain in your arm, especially in the wrist, just apply it and rub. It's also great for elbows that hurt a lot when we do daily movements or lift weights. I also use it on my heels after a tiring day. You know those days when you walk a lot? Or your shoes hurt you? You can use this if you feel discomfort anywhere on your body. This tip is for you.